In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create persuasive sales copy with Grok AI. If you need sales copy that's clear, convincing, and fast, Grok AI can help you draft it in minutes, while you stay in control of the message. Here's how to use it well and get professional results. First, open Grok AI. You can visit the official website in your browser or access Grok AI through the X platform on your device. Use the option that's most convenient for you and make sure you're signed in so you can start a new session right away. Next, open the chat interface. You should see a text box where you can type, along with a conversation area where responses appear. Keep this window visible. We'll feed it the information it needs and build from there. By the way, I've placed the official website link and, if you prefer an app experience, the download link, right at the top of the description so you can get to Grok AI quickly. Now provide the details of your product or service. Be specific about features, but translate them into benefits your audience actually cares about. Mention your target customer, the problem you solve, your unique selling points, and any proof like awards, results, or social validation. Clarity helps the model write strong copy, so include concrete facts such as materials, performance metrics, time saved, or cost savings. Aim for a short, well-structured brief. A few lines on who it's for, what it does, why it's different, and what action you want readers to take. Ask Grok to create the sales copy. A straightforward prompt works well, such as, write sales copy for this product, or generate persuasive copy to sell this service. You can also set the tone, professional, friendly, bold, or luxury, and mention where the copy will be used, like a landing page or an email. Review the draft you receive. Check that it highlights your key benefits, speaks to the right audience, and keeps the message accurate. Make sure the call to action is clear and the language fits your brand voice. If anything feels off, note what to change. Refine as needed by giving follow-up instructions. Ask for a shorter version, a different tone, a stronger headline, or more emphasis on a specific selling point. You can request multiple variations, or ask it to adapt the copy to character limits for ads or subject lines for email. That's how you can quickly create sales copy using Grok AI. Thanks for watching.